Well, hello friends, it's Amy Frillici with the Gathering Inkspiration Stamp Studio, and today I want to tell you about my latest class to go that I'm offering. It features the bubble over stamp set and then the coordinating bottles and bubbles framelits. And I have to tell you, this is kind of a set of products that I knew I had not played with enough yet. I had some fun ideas in mind, especially some kind of masculine cards. I kind of thought with the bottles, they kind of maybe remind me of beer bottles or soda bottles. Anyway, just kind of good guy masculine cards, but then also some really fun, even, for kid kind of cards too, like soda bottles or something. So let me show you the bubble over stamp set. You probably have seen it, but so many cute possibilities. So we've got our sentiment, may your day bubble over with happiness. Have a birthday brew. Your kindness is most refreshing. There's a thank you, a for you, and then over here there's a little yay. And then lots of other little extra add-on embellishments. A couple of different size bottles, and then the labels in two different sizes that'll fit both of those. The bubbles, I love that cute little starburst on there. So lots of fun kind of layering options with the stamp set. And then here are the bottles and bubbles framelits. I'm going to open that up because I think you can see it a little bit better. So we've got the two different size dies for our bottles, a couple of different straws, the two labels there, and then just some other, the really fun couple of things. This one kind of makes this little medallion. I'll show you that on one of the cards. And then a bunch of different bottle cap sizes, and they've even got like the little, you can't really see it, but I'll show you on the card, there's little etching in there, so it really makes it look like a bottle cap. So, and then even I was realizing like these little labels would be great, not even on the bottles, but just to make, if you stamp a cute little something and add, those to any project. So I think this is a really versatile stamp set and framelit set that you can use for, those little labels would be great. Those, just to die cut other things as well. So lots of good options with this stamp set and framelits. So let me show you, actually I'm going to tell you the options first. So I've got 4 different options for this class. So option number 1 includes everything basically. So you get the bubble over stamp set, you get the bottles and bubbles framelits, and then you get there are 4 different cards, and then you get 2 of each of them. So make and take materials for 8 cards in total, plus the PDF tutorial. That option number 1 is $58. And I will tell you, if you already have the bubble over stamp set and framelits, you can substitute. Just email me and we can work that out in terms of pricing. I'd have to look at what the product cost is, and then if it's a little bit over, I'll just invoice you for the difference. So that's not a big deal. So don't let that limit you. If you really want this class to go, we can always substitute for something else if you already have these. Then let's see, option number 2 only includes the bubble over stamp set. So you will not get the bottles and bubbles framelits, and then you will get all 8 make and takes, 2 of each of these 4 cards, plus the PDF tutorial. That option number 2 is $31. Then option number 3 is if you don't want any of this stuff, you basically just want the PDF tutorial that tells you how to step by step with all the measurements and everything, how to put the cards together. That option number 3 is $15. And then option number 4 is for anybody that's in my downline. I want you to order your stamp set and framelits through your own demo ID so you can get your discount. So you will be getting the make and take materials, so 2 of each of these cards, plus the PDF tutorial at a significant savings. You pay just $12 for all of this. So let me show you the cards. We've got some really cute options here. So this first one I loved. I thought it was kind of masculine with the colors. And then can you guys see, I have to show you the bottle cap that I was talking about. Do you see the etching? And then I love this with the little star too. It says, have a birthday brew. So that's one of our cards. Then the next one says, may your day bubble over with happiness. And then I think this would even be great for kids too. I love the kind of polka dots and stripes. And this ribbon, this is I think it's called the Stitched Edge Old Olive ribbon. Oh my gosh, it works really, really well on this card, I think. Then another, this is again, it says, may your day bubble over with happiness. And then I loved all of the layering with the vellum and the ribbon. This is our gold 1/8 inch ribbon. And I had lots of fun with my design designer series paper, kind of coming up with cards using our designer series paper, kind of a last ditch effort to use that paper before it retires in all of these cards, really. And then our last one, this one says, your kindness is most refreshing, with a couple of those cute little tutti frutti sequins and then some more fun designer paper and the embossing. So I will do all of your die cutting. I cannot do your stamping. That's the only thing I can't do for you. So I'll emboss this piece, you'll get to the sequins, and I'll do all the die cutting, and then you'll do your stamping. Okay. Oh, I also want to show you the ink pad colors that you will need. Make sure I get these in the view here for you guys. Okay, so ink pad colors that we used on these cards: Dapper Denim, Early Espresso, Old Olive, Lemon Lime Twist, Berry Burst, and So Saffron. Okay, now these to-go kits, the RSVP date for them is May 25. It's a Friday, May 25th. And then I will get your stamp set and framelits and everything ordered, cut, packed, and prepped, and it will ship no later than June 2nd. These to-go kits will. So I will include the link for ordering for all of these options. And again, like I said, if you already have the bubble over stamp set or the framelits, we can always substitute and get you something else so that you can still get the make and takes and the PDF as well. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you were inspired. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I'd love to get one of these to-go kits out to you. Thanks so much, everybody. Bye-bye.